Hi students, good morning to all of you. Welcome to Sri Academy online classes. Myself, Mutkumar. Today we will discuss class 7 General Knowledge Part 11. So let's start this video. Cups and competitions. Sports competitions are the various types. Some are for one sports while other are like Olympics. Australian Open is just for one sports while tennis. Here is given some sports cup and competitions. First, Commonwealth Game. Top athletes from Commonwealth countries participate. They are held every 4 years. Means Commonwealth Game held every 4 years, and in this game, top athletes from Commonwealth country are participate. Second, here are the pictures of Commonwealth Game. Second, tennis and Grand Slam. Tennis Grand Slam. When four important international championship tennis sports, Wimbledon, US Open, French Open, Australia Open, are won in the same calendar year, it is called the tennis Grand Slam. Means in tennis there are four types of sports: Wimbledon, US Open, French Open, and Australian Open. In this divide category single, double, mix. Third, Tour de France, a long distance cycling competition which is held in France every year in July. Means every year on July, Tour de France. This is a cycle racing which performed in France and city of the France every year in month of July. Fourth, Golden Slam. Winning Grand Slam as well as Olympic gold for tennis is called Golden Slam. Means winning Grand Slams as well as Olympic gold winner for tennis is called the Golden Slam. Fifth, Summer Olympics. These games are held every 4 years in summer. It is very prestigious for any sports persons. Summer Olympic game held every 4 years. This is a very important game. Here just like the image of a Summer Olympic. 6, Winter Olympics. These are counterpart to Summer Olympic. Sports are held on ice or snow. This game is performed in winter season. Summer Olympic, but just like a summer Olympic, but this winter sports Olympics performed every month of winter, and sports are held on ice or snow. 7th, F1. It is a very expensive sports played every year. It involves car races, Grand Prix. F1 is Formula 1 racing. Are very expensive sports. So number 8, FIFA World Cup. Here, image of. For football, it is the most widely viewed competition in the world. Federation International de Football Association, the full form of FIFA. Finals are held every 4 years. Means FIFA World Cups held every 4 years. 9th, Cricket World Cup. Teams play one-day match. It takes place every 4 years. Best playing nations participate. Cricket World Cup also held every 4 years. Here the Cricket World Cup pictures. Next one, the painting. Examples of some of the typical types of paintings from the different lands are given below. Identify them with the given description and help box. Some painters flatten the eucalyptus bark carefully and draw painting on it. They color them also. This type of painting is seen in Australia. It is called the bark painting. Means this painters use eucalyptus bark and color them also. So this type of painting seen in Australia. So this name of this painting is bark painting. Second, pictures are painted on piece of cloth called appliques. These appliques are hand sewn Daily life scenes like harvesting, planting, weaving, etc. are drawn. Example are seen in Chile, Peru, and Bolivia, South America. This painting is called the appliques painting. Third, in this type of art, painting is done on silk or rice paper with ink. It is very popular in China. Living things in nature are painted. It is called ink painting. This painting is famous on China. In cities, China, different city of China like Beijing. So this painting is called the ink painting. Fourth, pictures were made with gold dust. The gold weights were given different shapes. These paintings were popular in Ghana. They are called the gold painting. Means in this painting use gold dust for painting. Fifth, beautiful dolls. This doll is without arms or legs and bounce back if tripped over. It is common practice in Japan. A new doll is what if a new project is to start. Means new doll is what purchased when new project start. They treat it as their wish doll. The name of this person say that this is the wish doll. It is called the Deruma. This is called the Deruma. This is also called wish painting, and this type of dolls found in Japan country. Folk dance of India. Bharatnatyam. Bharatnatyam folk dance related to state Tamil Nadu. See the picture. Kathak. Kathak dance related to Uttar Pradesh. Kathakali. Kathakali dance related to Kerala. Manipuri. Manipuri dance related to Manipur. Here the images of Manipuri dance. Kuchipudi. Kuchipudi dance related to Andhra Pradesh. Odissi. Odissi dance related to Odisha. Bhangra ya Gidda related to Punjab. Garba. Garba dance related to Gujarat. Rope. Rope dance related to Kashmir. Ghumar. Ghumar dance related to Rajasthan. Bihu. Bihu dance related to Assam. Lavani. Lavani dance related to Maharashtra. Satriya dance. Satriya dance related to Assam. All these dance related to our Indian folk dance. Hopefully all students understand all content of this video. Each and every students write on your copy and learn them. If you face any problem, call me by number 8840156170. Thank you.